We have a heavy rain and I'm nothing when it's ran out. I can't charge anymore because I'm only 7% and I have nothing to do anymore. Yes, and I can't play Roblox, but I can still play a little bit. But we're gonna be brain out. Oh my, alam, mabagal pa ako pumunta sa Roblox. Wait. So yeah, it means we can we still mend Arian? Let me check. Area. We having a big rain, heavy rain. Yeah. Ala, we have a big rain and I'm already angry. So yeah, we can't play Roblox. I mean, we're gonna be banned out. Man, it's really... Wait, you can't even see it, so I'm gonna use the camera. Oh, no. Okay. We're having a bad... Look how... Oh my goodness. It won't stop. Oh my goodness. This won't stop. Oh my goodness. The wind is like coming inside and it's very cold. Dude, it's cold. When you touch the window, it's very cold because of the rain. This won't stop. And yeah, it will be noisy because I have nothing to do anymore. I can't play Roblox. Just let me charge you. Please. Okay, fine. You go first. After. So yeah. But can I even let me just go to Play Store to download something because I uninstall something. Oops, and I only have Roblox and Gacha Life and TikTok left. So what should I download? What should I download? Let's go download Crowd City. No. Oh no. I knew it. Bruh. No. Just want to delete Spotify. No. So yes, I'm ending the video now. And yes, thank you. It was like the lights are turn off, turn on, turn up. Tapos yung nangyari sa aircon, nagulat ako. I was like, OMG, is there a ghost? Yeah, we have the heavy rain. I even have no photos at the gallery. We're having a big rain, and how many person I have left? 6. Yeah.